Good day, everyone. Learn how to create drop-down list in Google Sheets. So open your Google Sheets, and once it is open, select the drop-down where exactly you want the drop-down in the cell. So let's say if I want more than 2 cells, I'll select this way and I'll go to insert, and here we have this drop-down option. We will click on that, and here you can type the drop down option, you can edit it, you can remove it, and if you scroll down you can allow multiple sections, and once you're done you just need to click on done, and you got the drop down list. By any chance, if you want to remove the drop down list, then you just need to select it, the cell which you want to remove, go to insert, then click on drop down, and then just click on remove rule. All right, so this is how you can create drop down list in Google Sheets. Subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.